So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB biology exam revision series, we are going to consider the topic internal structure of a flowering plant. So guys, here we are to consider just two questions on the heading fruits. So guys, the first question here says, the following are classified as fleshy fruits except A. Berry, B. Pome, C. Drupe, and D. Legume. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's legume. Legume is a type of dry fruit and not a fleshy fruit. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's legume. So before we go over to the next question, guys, you can always guess rightly the answer to the question at any point by pausing the video. Remember, also help us grow this channel by sharing this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more audience. And in any case, if you've not subscribed to this channel, so guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you'll be a subscriber to this channel, and then you'll be able to get updates whenever we post new videos. So guys, the next question here is question number 2, and it says the one-seeded fruits in which the pericarp and seed artery coats have become fused together is known as A. Drupe, B. Achene, C. Legume, and D. Caryopsis. So guys, the answer to the question here is option D, and that's Caryopsis. The Caryopsis is a type of fruit in which the pericarp, that's the fruit wall, derives from the ovary, and the seed coats are fused together, and it contains only one seed. So this is actually typical of grains like corn, wheat, rice, and so on. So guys, the other options here, that's drupe, achene, and legumes, are just types of fruits, but they do not have the characteristics of having the pericarp and seed coats fused together. So guys, the correct answer to this question is option D. So guys, this is the end of this video here. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, try to share this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more audience. If you have any question regarding this video, guys, drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.